It's taken me 48 years to learn what I'm about to teach you in 60 seconds on how to truly be confident and feel amazing about yourself. Work out. It starts there. Dressing well also is important. People respect people that have good style, so make an effort to dress better. Be well groomed. Have good hygiene. Smell amazing. Don't do drugs, don't drink, don't smoke, don't do self-destructive things, including surrounding yourself with self-destructive people or people that aren't good for you. If there's somebody in your life that is toxic, get rid of them. They don't deserve you. They don't deserve your time because you are amazing. I need you to remember that. I also need you to remember that you can achieve and accomplish anything. It is your life. It is your dream. Do not live for somebody else. Do not make excuses. Do not be a victim. You are powerful. You're also super smart. Give yourself more credit. Be nice to yourself, but also nice to other people. Be a man of your word. Have integrity. Be kind. Be confident because you are amazing. But you're also going to fail. Remember that. Don't run from it. Embrace it. It's okay. It's part of the process, and it makes you better and stronger. And at the end of the day, I need you to remember something. I love you. I think you're amazing, and I truly believe in you and know that you can accomplish anything. That's it.